A recent excavation at High Tarns Farm in Silloth, England, led by Grampus Heritage and Training Limited, has unearthed the largest known Viking Age building in Britain. The discovery, initially suggested by crop marks visible in satellite imagery, was confirmed through extensive archaeological excavation. According to Archaeology magazine, the team first identified signs of an ancient structure through open-source satellite imagery in late 2022. The images revealed the footprint of a large timber building measuring approximately 50 meters in length and 15 meters in width. Initially, archaeologists suspected the structure might be linked to a nearby 12th century Cistercian monastery. However, subsequent excavation and carbon dating revealed that the building significantly predated the monastery, dating back to the late 10th and early 11th centuries. The High Tarns Archaeology Project, funded by Grampus Heritage and Training Limited, conducted a series of excavations, with funding support from DEFRA through the Solway Coast National Landscapes Farming and Protected Landscapes Program. Carbon dating results from the excavation trenches confirm the structure's Viking Age origins. Trench 1, an internal structural post hole, revealed a load-bearing timber forming the building's central aisle, dated to 990 to 1040 AD, with 94% probability. Trench 2, a charcoal production pit cut by a later corn dryer, was dated to 990 to 1160 AD with 95% probability. A sample taken from the bottom of the corn dryer's drying chamber was dated to 1040 to 1180 AD with 94% probability. These findings confirm that the structure predates the Cistercian monastery of Holm Cultrum and aligns with the late Viking Age, making it the largest known Viking Age hall discovered in Britain. DcH&x emphasized the importance of this discovery, stating that it provides valuable insight into the early medieval period and the social structure of rural Cumbria. Given the hall's scale and its association with a charcoal production pit, grain dryer, and other geophysical features yet to be excavated, researchers believe it was part of an early medieval manor farm. The significance of this discovery, in shedding light on the early medieval period and social structure in rural Cumbria and beyond, is hard to overstate, DcH&x noted. This is the largest Viking Age building to be discovered and excavated in Britain, an incredible addition to our understanding of Norse settlements in the region. The High Tarns farm excavation has progressed in multiple phases. Phase 1 began in November 2022. Phase 2 conducted from January 15th to 26th, 2024. Phase 3 took place from February 5th to 16th, 2024. Phase 4, the most recent excavation in July 2024. Looking ahead, DcH&x plans to continue investigations through community excavation efforts in 2025. The team hopes to explore additional anomalies detected in geophysical surveys and uncover more context surrounding the timber hall and its role within Viking Age society. This groundbreaking discovery at High Tarns Farm provides an unprecedented glimpse into the lives of Vikings in Britain and sets the stage for further exploration of early medieval history in the region. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more exciting archaeological discoveries.